Sa pagdiriwang ng Annual Literacy Week na itinakda sa Presidential Proclamation No. 239, Series of 1993, idinaos ng Literacy Coordinating Council o LCC ang 2023 National Literacy Conference na may temang Building a Culture of Literacy, the Power of Communities as Catalyst of Literacy Development na ginanap sa Department of Education o DepEd, Ecotech Center, Cebu City. Ang naturang aktibidad ay nagpasimula nitong October 10 na magtatapos ngayong araw ng Biyernes, October 13.
We are so grateful as well that we are chosen to be the host in this LC for this year, 2020. It was emphasized as well the role of every stakeholder, across stakeholders, both internal and external, also have a great impact for the sustainability of this program. Because if everyone are educated, and all are literate, so our country of course will be will progress and will be developed.
Ayon kay Regional Director Jimenez, layon ng conference na matalakay ang problemang kinakaharap sa national literacy at mabigyang solusyon ang mga ito. Dinaluhan naman ang nasabing aktibidad ng nasa 500 delegado mula sa DepEd, local government units, civil society organizations, non-government organizations, national government agencies, at state universities and colleges mula sa iba't ibang bahagi ng bansa. Dinaluhan din ni Vice President at Education Secretary Sara Duterte ang naturang aktibidad at sa kanyang keynote speech, binigyan diin niya ang kahalagahan ng literacy sa pagpapaunlad ng bansa at ang tungkulin ng kagawaran bilang pangunahing tagapagtaguyod ng national literacy. Tampok sa 2 araw na komperensya ang mga talakayan na nakatuon sa pagpapatatag ng komunidad para sa pagpapaunlad ng literacy sa bansa.
Through various programs and initiatives, our goal is to promote functional literacy and ensure that every Filipino possesses the skills and knowledge needed to thrive in today's complex world.
Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyong publiko ang aming pinakahalagahan. Mula rito sa Cebu City, Edmond Disola, Humahataw.